Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Tesla Model 3 rear brake pads. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a floor jack, jack stands, and a torque wrench. Always prioritize safety by parking on a level surface and engaging the parking brake. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves throughout the entire process to protect yourself. This ensures a safe and efficient brake pad replacement. Next, prepare your Tesla Model 3 for the procedure. Access the service menu on your car's large touchscreen display and select Jack mode. This disables the air suspension if equipped. Then, remove the wheel cover and loosen the lug nuts a quarter turn while the wheel is still on the ground. Finally, safely lift the vehicle with a jack and secure it using sturdy jack stands. Now, let's remove the old brake pads. Begin by disconnecting the electronic parking brake connector from the rear caliper. This is a crucial step. Next, remove the two caliper guide pins, which are typically 7mm hex bolts. Carefully lift the entire caliper assembly off the rotor. Finally, use a brake caliper piston compression tool to push the piston back into its housing, making space for the new, thicker pads. To finish, install your new brake pads. Place the fresh pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they fit snugly. Reassemble the caliper over the rotor and tighten the two guide pins to 22 foot-pounds. Reinstall the wheel, then carefully lower your Tesla Model 3. Finally, torque the lug nuts to 129 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Test your brakes gently before driving normally.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.